Hello students, welcome to the GK class. Today we'll start with the topic Careers in Medicine and Engineering. Under this topic, first we will study medical specialists. First one is neurologist. Who is neurologist? A doctor who treats the disorders related to the brain and the nervous system is called neurologist. And here are the pictures of the neurologists. Next specialist is orthopedist. Who is orthopedist? A specialist in correcting deformities of skeletal system. Next is pediatrician. A pediatrician is a medical practitioner specializing in children and their diseases. Psychiatrist. Psychiatrist is a medical practitioner who specializes in the diagnosis and treatment of mental illness. Next is dermatologist. A medical practitioner qualified to diagnose and treat skin disorders is called a dermatologist. Cardiologist. A doctor who specializes in the study and treatment of heart diseases and heart abnormalities is called a cardiologist. Next one is a dentist. A person who is qualified to treat diseases and other conditions that affect the teeth and gums, especially the repair and extraction of teeth and the insertion of artificial ones is called a dentist. So, dentist is a doctor of teeth. Next expert is dietitian. Dietitian is an expert on diet and nutrition. Now let's move to ophthalmologist. A specialist in the branch of medicine concerned with the study and treatment of disorders and diseases of the eye is called ophthalmologist. So, ophthalmologist is the doctor of eyes. Next doctor is ENT specialist. ENT specialist is a doctor of ear, nose, throat and their related diseases. Now children, let us discuss the branches of engineering. Electrical engineering. An engineering discipline concerned with the study, design and application of equipments, devices and systems which use electricity, electronics and electromagnetism is called electrical engineering. Next is mechanical engineering. The branch of engineering dealing with design, construction and use of machines is called mechanical engineering. Next, automobile engineering. A branch study of engineering which teaches manufacturing, designing mechanical mechanisms as well as operations of automobiles is called automobile engineering. Next branch is civil engineering, a professional engineering discipline that deals with the design, construction and maintenance of public works such as roads, bridges, canals, dams, airports, sewerage systems, pipelines, structural components of buildings and railways is called civil engineering. Another important branch is chemical engineering. The branch of engineering concerned with the design and operation of industrial chemical plants is called chemical engineering. Next one is aeronautical engineering. Aeronautics, it is related to aeroplanes. The branch of engineering concerned with the design, production and maintenance of aircraft is called aeronautical engineering. Textile engineering, the study of textile production, processing and its compatibility for the use of common man is called textile engineering. Then marine engineering. Now children, the word marine is related to sea. So the engineering of boats, ships, oil rigs and any other marine vessel or structure, as well as oceanographic engineering or ocean engineering is called marine engineering. Agricultural engineering, branch of engineering that deals with the design of farm machinery, the location and planning of farm structures, farm drainage, soil management and erosion control, water supply and irrigation, rural electrification and the processing of farm products is called agricultural engineering. Computer engineering, a branch of engineering that integrates several fields of computer science and electronic engineering required to develop computer hardware and software is called computer engineering. Children, now solve this exercise number 13 on the page number 17 of your general knowledge book. Careers in medicine and engineering. General awareness. Medical and engineering are two of the most rewarding career options in India. Both jobs require hard work, dedication, patience and above all zeal to excel. Zeal means great energy or enthusiasm. Exercise A. Recognize the medical specialist by the given information. Write their names in the blanks provided. You may use the help box. Exercise B. Recognize the branches of engineering by the given information. Write their names in the blanks provided. You may use the help box. Children, after completing these exercises, you can check the answers here. Children, that is all.